Well, hey y'all, Dan here. Thanks for joining me. My wife and I were driving back from Elk City this morning, and we went by one little lake. It was covered with white egret, and I'm going back there now to see if they're still there. There was a storm that came up after we got home, so they may have been scattered after that, but we can go back, see if they're still there. If they are, I'll bring you in and let you see them too. White egret are just beautiful. I think in the pecking order, they're probably within the top 5 of my favorite birds. Of course, the eagle, and I love the hawks here. Red-tailed hawk is probably my favorite. I like the red-shouldered hawk almost as well. And blue herons. Blue herons are just majestic and they're pretty. Then these white egrets, and they're a contender to the blue heron as far as how pretty they are, within my favorites. So it's a short road walk over here to this little lake. So I've parked my car at the Elk River Wildlife Refuge, and this is Highway 160 that cuts right through the middle of it. I don't know that there are as many down here as there were earlier, but still quite a few. And don't want to disturb them, but I do want to see about, just sort of sitting down and watching them for a while. I guess it's not really a lake, it's sort of an overflow. And they're down in there. There's some blue herons down there, and there are egrets. I tried to get some video and some photos. I took several. Don't know what they're going to be like. It seems like this time of day, the sun is so bright that everything is sort of hazy, and there's a haze lifting up off of the water. Really makes it challenging. Take it back to the studio, see what I can come up with, and if there's anything that's really usable, I'll share with you. I'll share with you either way. When I got back to the studio and put the photos and the videos into the computer, you can see the haze gives everything sort of this metallic bluish look, and while I like that in some things, not crazy about it here. But this is the best I could do, and I think what I'm planning is tomorrow go back out and try it again, maybe a little earlier in the day, so more around that blue hour, or if I miss the blue hour, earlier in the morning, and I hope the lighting will be a little bit better. A lot of traffic on this road, so I'm going to try to get back to my car without getting run over. I'll see you later. Well, I came back out for another try. It's still pretty sunny, but much clearer skies, and earlier in the day, so I'm not getting as much of the haze. Still right here beside the roadside, which is pluses and minuses. The highway noise is a pain, but at the same time, there's so much distraction. I don't think the birds are actually noticing me today, and able to get a little closer to them and not disturb them, which I don't want to do. There's a blue heron, actually 2 blue herons, 3 blue herons, and 3 white egrets just right out there. Probably can't see them with the small camera, but taking this video, maybe I'll be able to show you a little bit more with it. It's a nice day. I've gotten I'm not sure if it's a kestrel or if it's a kite, but there's a bird that was flying over as well, and I got some of it. there's another blue heron right over here. I'm going to see if I can get down below this tree and get in. This has been much nicer, and I think I got some pretty good video. I got a few photos. More of the blue herons than the egrets, but got a little bit of both. And it's been a nice day. So I think now I'm going to go home, get ready for my next adventure, which is coming up in a week. And as you're watching this, I am probably going to be in Colorado. There, I hope to be at Grand Lake at a campground there. Plan to explore some into the Rocky Mountain National Park, and then pray for me. I'm hoping I can get that elusive moose. So until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you.